today I have an event, so I'm gonna take you guys on the journey of me preparing for the event, and I'm gonna take you guys for the setup for the event. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So right now I'm gonna walk to my office. I already had breakfast, let the dogs out, so I'm walking to my office so I can go in and look at the invoice one last time and just double check my checklist. And I'm going to make sure I have everything prepared to go into the car. My office is in the laundry room, hence the clothes in the back. I need to put those away. So let's sit you guys down so y'all can see me. Okay, so I just realized my mouse, I charged it last night, so it's charging, so I can't get on my computer. I don't think I can. So yeah, so anyway, the event we're doing is a paint party. It's for a little girl, and it's like a luau Hawaiian themed paint party. So normally what I do while we wait for my mouse to finish charging, or until I get up to go get the mouse, we're gonna make our checklist and make sure we have everything. And then we're gonna double check the invoice to make sure we have all the supplies, and then we'll go and pack the supplies. So let's start with our checklist. So I have my binder here, and I wanna give me a cute yellow binder or pink binder. You know what? I have a binder, I have a pink binder. I might just switch it out because it matches my office, but we'll see. But anyway, I have this binder, and this has all my orders in it that I have, and I keep them organized like that. And just to show you guys an example so I don't put any information out, this is the order form that I use. I got it from Miss Creative CEO. I found her, I believe, on Instagram or Facebook, I can't remember, and I just ordered these from her shop, and I just print out as many as I need. But yeah, it gives you all the information you need, the order date, the contact information of the client, and it gives you item descriptions, quantities, and lets you total it up. So basically I just put all the information here so that I know exactly what they need. And like I said, this is going to be a luau paint party. It's going to be for 6 kids, and the colors are like the turquoise, pinks, greens, tropical feel. So we're going to do that. Oh, and then in this video, I'm also going to show you guys how to make a DIY centerpiece for that party. So we're going to do that as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna double check her order to make sure I have everything, and then I'll take you guys out to show you guys how I gathered all the parts or the materials I need for the actual event. So yeah, let me do that, and then I'll get back with you guys. So I went ahead, I double checked the checklist, I double checked the invoice, I made sure that I had everything for the event. So now what I'm going to do is go out to the garage, and I'm going to gather up everything and put it together so I can throw it in a car and get ready to head to the event. So yeah, that's it. And if you guys would like to see how I do like a full setup, or how I inventory my items, or how I actually set up my notebook, let me know down in the description, and I'll give you guys that information. So in the garage, I will give you guys a tour of this garage, but it's not in the best situation right now. So I'm gonna pull the camera up a little bit. Maybe I'll do a clean with me in my garage so y'all can see where it started and where it's going. But yeah, right now I'm going to get the stuff I need for the paint party, and my bins are labeled for each event. I'm trying to look for, of course, the one I need is all the way at the bottom of everything, but I'll show you guys real quick. So like I said, for the most part, they are labeled. My paint easels, these are my boy themes. containers, extra decor, cupcake parties, and I have a lot of bins. They go on and on and on. They're labeled for each party. So yeah, like I said, if you guys like to see a tour of my garage, I won't be in this place for long, so I can do a tour before I leave so you guys can see what it looks like once I clean it. But yeah, let me go to the bottom. I don't know why that always is when you need something. It's always at the bottom. Anyway, let me grab this, grab my other containers, and I will see you guys in a bit. So all I have to do is go in the house, grab the background curtains and a tablecloth, and I think that's it. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna load this stuff up and I will see you guys at the place for the event. Bye. So I have all the supplies here, so let's get ready to set up.
Complicated and stir it up now. You and me, we got time to waste it. So give it up, cool down. Bigger houses, faster cars. Don't need it all, just come around to the backyard. We don't gotta make it complicated. I feel it all with every piece of me. It's going down and we're turning it up. It's okay now, don't you worry. I let it go and I'm caught in a rush. We don't got a lot of money. We'll make it work with whatever we got. So bring yourself in all your homies and throw it down, cause we're turning it up. We're turning it up, yeah. Turning it up. We don't gotta make it complicated. Too fast, slow down. You know it's not a race to see who makes it. Take a breath in, out. Just let it be, don't gotta show. Everybody will deserve what you want, so why you wanna make it complicated? I feel it all with every piece of me. It's going down and we're turning it up. It's so good now, don't you worry. I let it go and I'm caught in the rush. We don't got a lot of money. We make it work with whatever we got. So bring yourself and all your homies and
So I'm done with the setup. I love the way it turns out. So normally what I do is I sit at the table and then I stay and I assist the kids. And then I'll take the paints and I'll go around and ask the kids what color paints they want. And then I'll put the paint in their, paint palettes. And then yeah, grab the stencil they want. And then the fun begins. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see the final project. And then I gotta get this party started. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me and hanging out as I prepared and like situated and got the setup of this paint party. Stay tuned for the video where I show you guys how I DIY'd that centerpiece over there. And yeah, that's it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And stay sweet. Enjoy your day. Bye.